Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, you're so very welcome. I'm back again with another video on how to do a soft glam, a very easy and simple makeup tutorial. So guys, please keep subscribing in case you haven't, and without further ado, let's get it. So first things first, let's brush off our eyebrows. Guys, please make sure your eyebrows are trimmed. They always give you a very easy time while doing them. Start off by drawing the lower line as you follow the exact structure of your eyebrows. And that's the frame. Having the frame is so easy. While your eyebrows are in check, they're well trimmed, you've brushed off with this pulley, so you just go in, have the structure before shading. That's our structure, guys. In shading, start with the lower side or the outer corner of the eye. Make sure they're not so dark because we want the eyebrows to look as natural as possible, so they have to be faded on this inner corner and then darken as you move towards the outer corner. So guys, those are our frames before we clean them. So move in with the concealer and clean. That's our eyebrows. Now move into our eyeshadow. Always start applying your eyeshadow from the outer corner, moving inwards. So we go in with a yellow shade at the inner corner of the eye. That's the inner corner of the eye. Just tap it in and blend until you achieve a very smooth blend. That's it with our green eyes. So we now move in with an eyeliner, line them and clean them up on the sides. Use a foundation, guys, or concealer if you can blend it well, to clean up the outer corner of your eye and give your eye some structure. This helps in keeping the eyeshadow in its rightful place. So after we're done with the eyes, apply your primer. I'll do my lashes after the primer. I just want to give it some time to set vizuri. Yeah, so now after you've applied the primer, give it a few seconds to set, and I'll be doing my lashes off camera and then we'll continue the rest of the makeup. After the primer is already set, you can now do your foundation. So after the foundation has blended in well, you now move in with your concealer. Conceal the under eye. Guys, a note, we only conceal the darker parts of our face. That includes the under eyes, around your mouth, and the forehead. You conceal the forehead not because it's darker than the other places, but because you want it to pop. Your forehead is the center of your face, so you want it popping and more glowing than the rest of the face. So that's why we contour our forehead. But the under eyes, we contour them to make them even with the rest of the face because they are a bit darker. Yeah, then now our forehead. After we've concealed our face, now you move in with a setting powder and set your makeup. Make sure the beauty blender you're using to set your makeup is damp or rather wet. Guys, we set the makeup to avoid that stickiness. Foundations and concealers are a bit sticky and uncomfortable at times, so you loosen them up with a setting powder. After the setting powder, guys, we now have to contour and highlight our nose and the face. Don't forget to contour your forehead, because the hairline is dark and we've already lightened our face with the makeup. So to avoid that contraction, you contour your forehead so that there is no big difference between your hairline and your forehead. Yeah. Now we move into our nose and give it some structure. So guys, just see that structure of the nose. So last but not least, set in your makeup. So wait for it to set. We now move in with the lips. When you go for bright shades on your eyes, like mine, green shades, avoid bright lip paints or lipsticks. Go for something subtle as much as you can. Try as much as possible to make your lips nude when going for bright eyeshadows. So in this case, I'm going to use this nude lipstick note with some lip liner to create an ombre. This lip liner is just life. I love it. Don't overdo with the lip liner, and then you can now move in at the inner corner of your lips where you didn't apply the lip liner with the nude shade. Yeah, and that's our final look. Look at that ombre. Yeah, that's our final look, guys. So guys, that's our final look on our look today. Really love the ombre lips. So guys, please keep subscribing. I'm begging you, in case you haven't. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Like this video and share it as much as you can. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and let me know what you want to see more on my channel on the comments section below. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.